Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Anisha, and on my channel I review subscription boxes. So today I have a new subscription box on my channel, and it is the, I don't know if ever you heard about it, but it is called the Mexi crate, and you have different, I'm going to put all the information down below, and this is actually on Great Joy, and this is $7, $7 US. So this is a smaller version, but you do have the bigger version as well. I will put the link down below, and you can always check it out there. I'm sorry. Um, yeah, like I said, I am an affiliate of Great Joy, so I will get a small commission if ever you follow my link. But if you don't want to follow my link, that's not a problem as well. So I'm not actually very, I did have a look at this box, but I'm not very impressed. But we are going to have a look. So it says Mexi crate here, and then oh, we have another card here, and it says post your box on TikTok. I don't have TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, and tag us for a chance to win a $20 gift card at Mexi crate. Okay, so when you open it, it's like this, nothing fancy, and you have the goodies over here. For $7, they do have many goodies, and they are all candies. So I'm not a fan of candies, but still we're going to see. So the first thing I'm pulling out is watermelon, what's that? Oh, watermelon artificial flavor with real fruit. Okay. Next item is lollipop and hot candy powder. Oh, I can't give that to my daughter. Unfortunately, she's not going to have it because it is hot, and I think that all their candies are hot, most of them. Okay. That's another lollipop, and it says Rico Pepino. Is it hot, this one? No idea. Okay, you have another one like this, so you have two of them. And the next item we have here is Sprinkles, watermelon flavored hot candy strips with watermelon flavored fillings. I don't know what you think. Should I eat one? Okay. I'm going to try one. I don't have any watermelon, but I'm someone who likes spicy things in life in general. I love, but in candies, I'm not sure. It's like this. It's not spicy, but I don't, it's okay. It is a bit spicy. I have it now. Not my favorite. And then we have, I'm not sure what it is. Oh my god. It says watermelon flavor candies, confited with bittersweet and spicy powder. Oh dang. Okay, you have two of them. Okay, something sweet. We do have something sweet. It is a peanut candy bar. I think I will like this one. It's sticky. This thing here is sticky. Oh, still my favorite. What's that? Oh, I think we have just a sec. Okay, the same thing that I show you guys, the lollipop and hot candy powder, whatever. That's it. We have two of them. I'm not sure what it is. I did see a YouTuber opening this one and she had to struggle a bit with it. I'm not going to open it. I think something with lemon. It says, I can't read it. It says, okay, Pelo Rico. Oh my god, it's not in English. Okay, I think something with lemon because I see like limon. Okay. Now we have this one here. What is this? Do you guys have any idea? Hot and salted tamarind pulp candy. It says push. So I guess that you have to open this one and then you push. I'm not going to push anything. I'm not going to try it. Did we have this? Oh yeah. Same thing that I showed you guys earlier. Watermelon artificial flavor. It seems like, I don't know what it is. It's very like, you see? I don't know. Okay, is this one? Actually, I opened the box before I do my video. So I did eat it. I did taste it, I mean. You have two of them. So it says lollipop revolcado. So it tastes like tamarind. I did open it. And it had like chili things. Again, not my favorite. And then they have four, what is this? Fruit or bubble gum. They have four, oops. I'm just going to show it like that. 4 bubble gum. So let me know what you guys think about this box. Personally, like I said, I'm not a candy person and those are not my favorite at all. Am I going to purchase this box again? No, never. So that's it for today. And but you do have many candies. I mean, for $7 you do have many candies here. Maybe people from Mexico like these kind of candies, not sure. But if ever you like my video, guys, make sure you give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care and see you in my next video. Bye.